Today I'm going to show you how to plug everything in. Your flash, the camera, and the monitor. We're going to plug everything in to your laptop. So first what I like to do is I like to grab all the cables and just kind of pull them all out a little bit. Just that way I know what's what. I have my power cord. It's not plugged in. Let's plug it in. The power cord is going to be all the way to the right underneath the monitor. Feel for it and just kind of slip it right in. We're going to plug this into the power strip. So then first let me do the USB. Your monitor has a USB. We're going to plug that in to your laptop. You should have a USB port on the side, top, or the right side. And on this laptop, there's two on the right side over here, so I'm going to plug it in right here. I like to bring them over my laptop because when I open the door, it gets hidden right behind it and it holds it in place. I need another USB cord for my camera. Camera port goes to the left side of the camera, right here. Plug it in on the side. And then the other side plugs in to my laptop. Again, grab it over the top, slip it right on the side. Next thing is the VGA cord to the laptop. Not on the side, not on this side, it's got to be on top. There it is. Flip it over, move this to the side, slip it right in. Just push down. You can screw in the little side bolts if you want. That way it doesn't come loose. This side, flip it up. Now everything's plugged in. You get your power strip. Make sure it has Velcro on the side, on the bottoms, and then we can put this just on the side right here. Wiggle it, let it grab, and now grab your power cord from your monitor and plug it in. Power cord from your flash, plug it in. Now with your camera, there's two ways of having power. Your battery, or you can have an adapter that plugs into your power strip. In this case, we have a battery already installed in the camera. So everything's already plugged in. All we need to get is an extension cord and turn the power on. Plug it into the strip and turn the power on.